Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. BUM's airdrop listing date. Maximize your rewards for Q1 2025. Get ready for BUM's airdrop and token listing in Q1 2025. BUM's, the buzzworthy Telegram minigame that's been taking the crypto community by storm, is gearing up for its token launch and airdrop in Q1 2025. Although the exact date is still under wraps, the countdown has already begun. Why? Because BUM's is preparing for a massive airdrop and token listing, and you don't want to miss it. As the team finalizes partnerships with top crypto exchanges, anticipation is through the roof, especially with over 7.7 million active users eagerly waiting for the chance to get in on the action. How to prepare and secure your token allocation. So, how can you make sure you're ready for the BUM's airdrop and maximize your rewards? It's simple. Link your TON wallet. Head to the airdrop section in the app and connect your TON wallet. This step is critical, as only those who link their wallets will be eligible for token allocations when the airdrop goes live. Level up your BUM character. The higher your BUM character's level, the more you earn. Leveling up means increased hourly profits, so grind and boost those stats to unlock more rewards. Expand your referral network. Want even more rewards? Bring your friends into the BUM's world. Every successful referral increases your eligibility for a larger share of the tokens. Join the TON Wallet quest. This quest isn't just fun, it's rewarding. Completing it gets you a mega BUM character and a 3% bonus on your hourly profits. Plus, it counts toward your overall token eligibility. Boost earnings with daily combo codes. BUM's is all about keeping you engaged and rewarding you for it. Use daily combo codes to unlock extra tasks and bonuses, giving you a leg up on your competition. The more you do, the more you earn. How are token allocations determined? BUM's rewards its most dedicated players, and the allocation system is designed to reflect that. BUM level. The higher your level, the bigger your slice of the token pie. Referrals. Bringing in friends pays off. Every new referral boosts your eligibility. In-game contributions. Active participation in the game, whether it's completing tasks, leveling up, or engaging in the community, will enhance your share of the rewards. Exclusive competitive rewards program. And it doesn't stop there. BUM's is rolling out a competitive rewards program with 1,000 TON in prizes. The top performer will take home 200 TON, with a prize pool that continues down to the 20th position, where the last spot still gets a respectable 5 TON. What exactly is BUM's? In case you're wondering, BUM's is a thrilling Telegram minigame built on the TON blockchain. Players tap, engage, and earn rewards by completing tasks, referring friends, and contributing to the in-game ecosystem. Focused on rewarding the community, BUM's is all about making your active participation pay off. With a vibrant community and a commitment to long-term growth, BUM's is quickly becoming one of the most exciting projects in the space. Final thoughts: stay engaged, stay prepared. As we approach the BUM's airdrop listing date, now's the time to connect your TON wallet, level up your BUM, and engage with the game. Keep an eye on official channels for updates on the listing date, price, and token distribution. Get ready to be part of something big. BUM's is just getting started.